A complete lockdown came into effect in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Puducherry from May 10th to control the spread of COVID 19. Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana state governments have also extended ongoing lockdowns till May 17th to curb the spread of COVID 19. Kerala also imposed a 9-day lockdown from May 8th in the state. Streets in Jammu and Kashmir wore a deserted look as the COVID 19 curfew has been extended till May 17th. Cops were seen questioning people who were out on the streets in Chennai as a 2-week long lockdown began from today. Police were seen seizing vehicles and issuing challan to lockdown violators in various cities of Karnataka. Delhi metro services are suspended till 5 am on May 17th as the national capital enters into an extended period of lockdown with strict restrictions. Haryana Chief Minister's office issued a statement saying lockdown has been extended to ensure the safety of citizens. To contain the spread of corona in Haryana and to ensure the safety of its citizens, the government of Haryana has decided to extend the lockdown restrictions for another week, 10th May to 17th May, to be observed as Mahamari Alert Surakshit Haryana. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot also warned people that strict action would be taken against those who violate lockdown. There should not be any kind of laxity in enforcing the lockdown. Whoever violates the guideline, strict action should be taken against them. The deaths from the virus are very worrying and distressing. In such a situation, the people of the state should follow the lockdown with utmost sincerity and responsibility. He also suggested police forces to conduct flag marches in police station areas and checkpoints to create public awareness. Gehlot also said that the centre should consider imposing a nationwide lockdown because the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic is more unpredictable and deadly. In the northeast, the Mizoram government has imposed a 7-day lockdown from May 10th, while Sikkim has imposed restrictions till May 16th. The Uttarakhand government has decided to impose a strict COVID curfew from May 11th to May 18th. Uttar Pradesh government also said that it has decided to extend the already imposed lockdown as it is helping to break the COVID-19 chain. The corona curfew imposed in the state is giving positive results and it is helping in breaking the chain of COVID infection. The number of active COVID-19 cases is registering a decline. In this scenario, it has been decided to extend the corona curfew till 7 am on May 17th. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan and Haryana are among the top 10 states that are contributing to India's COVID-19 cases. India witnessed a significant dip in the daily cases as the country reported 3.66 lakh fresh infections and 3,754 deaths in the past 24 hours. The country was reporting more than 4 lakh cases for the past 4 consecutive days.